afternoon, one and all. I, on behalf of iHub, Gujarat Student Startup and Innovation Hub and Education Department, welcome you all. It's a great occasion for all of us for the launch of We Engage program. This is a very ambitious program of engaging experts, mentors with emerging women startups in the state of Gujarat. I would like to welcome Madam Anju Sharma, Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Gujarat, and also the Chairperson of iHub for being present today for this launch of this ambitious program. I would also like to welcome Professor Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor of iHub, Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University. I would also like to welcome Mr. M. Nagarajan, Commissioner of Higher Education, Government of Gujarat. I would like to welcome Shilpa ji, Piyali ji, Kusum, Sarangi ma'am, Asima ji, who are representing GCCI's Women Wing and also the TIE Ahmedabad chapter, who are here today physically present to interact with the women startups. And they represent their organization, but there are a bunch of brilliant minds with both of them, both at TIE and also at GCCI, who will be spending their time along with Chief Mentor iHub, Commissioner of Higher Education, and none other than the Principal Secretary Education, Government of Gujarat, every third Saturday in the afternoon, and invite at least 5 brilliant women startups from the state of Gujarat. We'll get a direct audience to interact with all of you. So this is a great occasion for creating an interface between emerging women startups and successful women entrepreneurs who can share their insights and success recipes so that we can unfold success stories in Gujarat, magnify what efforts have been done, and together we can create a better startup ecosystem in the state of Gujarat. May I now request Mr. M. Nagarajan, Commissioner of Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, who is also Honorary Executive Director of iHub, to kindly address this.
Thank you, Hiranmay. Today's program is a very milestone activity we are starting today on Women Entrepreneurs Engage. The program is the flagship program of iHub, which is a We Engage. I'm glad to welcome our Chairperson, Anju Sharma Ma'am, Chief Mentor, Professor Himanshu Pandya, and all the dignitaries from the Gujarat Chamber of Commerce, women entrepreneurship leaders who have joined us here. Today, we will be engaging and discussing and guiding at least 5 women entrepreneurs who are the rising stars and who will be guided and mentored individually on their current situation and how to move forward. And they will be able to bank upon the experiences of the eminent experts and entrepreneurs, business leaders who are present today. On behalf of iHub, I extend a very warm welcome to all the mentors who have joined us in this mentor panel and for their commitment and time for the cause of supporting women in entrepreneurship. Student innovation and entrepreneurship has been gathering momentum in the last few years, out of which we cannot afford to lose the 50% of the population who are the women. And if startup and innovation is a growth engine for the nation, women entrepreneurs are going to be the driving force behind this startup and innovation movement. And we are glad to have set up yet another platform for women entrepreneurs. Recently, we did the eStart Meet, which was a grand success, and we were able to have a very impactful gathering of women entrepreneurs across Gujarat. And it has triggered a wave of awareness, sensitization, and aspiration among women of Gujarat. And we plan to take it forward through this continuous mentoring program. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us today.
Thank you so much, sir, for putting the context in place. We have with us Ms. Piyali Chattopadhyay, the Executive Director of TIE Ahmedabad, who is a very known face in terms of our ecosystem and very strongly engaged with the efforts of iHub. We also have a standing MOU between TIE Ahmedabad and iHub exclusively for mentorship, guidance, and practice programs. May I request Piyali to kindly address this.
Thank you so much, Hiranmay. First and foremost, good afternoon, everyone, and my congratulations for the launch of We Engage. As all entrepreneurs know that, starting up or building a venture is, just a bit short of having an adventure. So I'm very glad and I'm very excited today to, see that a focused program like We Engage has been launched, which will definitely help, in strengthening the capabilities of the women founders and co-founders. As rightly Nagarajan sir said, 50% of the world's population is women who are basically the influencers or the decision makers. Probably the number of entrepreneurs that we have in India who are women is probably just about, I guess, 15%, or it could be less. I would like to take the opportunity to quickly introduce what TIE can do for all these women entrepreneurs. So TIE basically stands for the India-US Entrepreneurs. It is today one of the world's largest non-profit organization fostering entrepreneurship. It has got around 64 offices across the world in 14 countries. And it does all these activities of fostering entrepreneurship through mentoring, nurturing, investing, and so on. Globally, we have got almost 20,000 plus member base, which includes entrepreneurs, advisors, investors, and venture capitalists. Successful entrepreneurs again reinvest in young startups to help them in their growth. There are 4 pillars under which TIE does its work. The first one is TIE University. Second, TIE Youth or the TIE Young Entrepreneurs. Then TIE India Angel Network. And the fourth one is TIE Women. So TIE Women is more for, all the engagements and empowering the women entrepreneurs. We do all of these things through a variety of programs that can help in building capacity, increasing their knowledge, global visibility, and building their network too. It is generally said that women are not so good at asking for help or creating their own network. So I would like to urge all the women entrepreneurs around to please take full advantage of all these organizations which have come together and joined hands for We Engage. Trust me, this is going to be a fantastic opportunity for all of you in the next level of your journey of the startup. So let we remain engaged and let us focus on innovation, scalability, and sustainability of your ventures and take it to the next level. Thank you and all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. May I now request Ma'am Silpa Bhatt, Business Women in GCCI representative. Gujarat Chamber of Commerce is helping not only to mentor the ideas and innovators, but also helping to guide them through the Women wing at GCCI. Ma'am, it's a privilege to have you. Could we request you to kindly address us?
So much जो आपका ये अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है वी एंगेज और उसके लिए मैं आपको बधाई दूंगी आपको और मैं जीसीसीआई में हम लोग जो हमारे बिजनेस वुमन की कमिटी है उसमें 262 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं और एक्टिवली बोले तो 180 जितने एक्टिवली है मेंबर्स पर उसी में ये कोविड हुआ है इसकी वजह से काफी सारे सबके बिजनेस चेंज हुए थे तो बस वही है कि ये वी स्टार्ट जो वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को वो लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं तो उसी में हम लोग अवेयरनेस के प्रोग्राम जीसीसीआई में करेंगे कि कहाँ से काफी सारे लेडीज मैंने देखी हुई कि गांव में भी है तो बहुत सारे इनोवेटिव उनके पास आइडियाज है पर वो एजुकेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो बस वही है कि आई हैव टू वी स्टार्टेड टू हम लोग उनको अवेयर करेंगे जस्ट मैं एक छोटा सा मेरा ये सिंपल एक एग्जांपल बताऊंगी कि हम लोगों ने ये अभी एक किया भक्ति दीप करके एक प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया जिसमें ये है कि जो बोलते हैं घी के साथ ये दिया रेडी करते हैं इस तरह से तो इसकी जरूरत हर एक छोटी छोटी जगह पे जैसे ऑफिस हो कुछ भी हो तो वहां पे उसकी जरूरत पड़ती है तो हमने 30 लेडीज को ये सिखाया है तो बस इसी तरह से कुछ स्टार्टअप इनोवेटिव भले ना हो पर कुछ तो स्टार्ट करें कि वहां पे जुड़ के हम लोग काफी सारे लेडीज को ये स्किल डेवलपमेंट करके सिखाए तो मैंने अभी आ रही थी तब मैंने पढ़ा कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लिखा हुआ है उनके स्टार्टअप में 2 लेडी का एक है कि जसुबेन का पिज्जा एंड लिज्जत पापड़ का तो उन्होंने छोटी सी भी शुरुआत की थी पर अभी काफी वर्ल्ड लेवल पे उनका नाम है तो बस वही थॉट्स है कि काफी सारा इसमें इनोवेटिव है और थोड़ा अवेयरनेस की जरूरत है क्योंकि स्टार्टअप सबके दिमाग में वही आता है कि भाई 25-30 एज वाले ही करते हैं तो जो वुमन स्टार्टअप हुआ है तो वुमन मतलब 35-40 वाले भी ये कर सकते हैं। तो बस वही है कि थोड़ा अवेयरनेस हो जाए और हमारा पूरा प्रयत्न रहेगा GCCI बिजनेस वुमन कमेटी का कि हम लोग साथ में जुड़ के हम काफी सारी लेडीज को आगे लाए और उनको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, ma'am. We have with us Professor Himanshu Pandya, the Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University and Chief Mentor of iHub. Professor Pandya, may I request you to kindly highlight how mentorship plays a very vital role, and also how this We Start and We Engage program can create more support system for women entrepreneurs, particularly the young women entrepreneurs, which are technology-driven, scalable, impact creating entrepreneurs in the state of Gujarat.
Thank you, Arun bhai, but I would not like to speak here much because we are here to listen to the mentors what we have here today. We are lucky to have very promising mentors from the field, those who actually contributed in their own areas, and they are inspiration for so many young women in the country also. I would like to say a few words here. Let us pick up the right talent. Let us provide them the platform. Let us bring them to a network where they can be showcase their abilities and capabilities to the world. They are not lesser than anybody else. Let us not understand, let us not make a charity here by providing them a platform. It's not giving them a support. They don't require any support here. They are here to participate and to contribute on an equal level, on an equal basis. So let us work together in a network where we can create Atmanirbhar Bharat with the help of all the units, like it's a male or female. We are not here to create any competition here. Let us facilitate the right talent, pick up them, provide them the opportunity, and let's work for the great nation, great country. Let's hear them and let's have some glimpse how they evolved in their own day-to-day practices and how they have contributed with the help of all this network, and how they can be inspiration for the young talents working in the campuses. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Every third Saturday, this program is going to happen, and we are going to get successful entrepreneurs talking to aspiring entrepreneurs.
Good evening, everybody. My friends from GCCI and Professor Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor of iHub, Mr. Nagarajan Hiranmay, CEO of iHub. Today we are launching the We Engage and the Startup Engage program. It really brings me a lot of happiness because from the very beginning, my vision about iHub was that it should become not a company, but a community. And that's what we are realizing now. That's how we have worked so far. We have developed it into a community where we have people from different fields. Most of the people like me, Dr. Pandya, Mr. Nagarajan, who work here, we work on an honorary basis and give back to the society. Similarly, this entire Startup Saathi program was conceived to bring in these kind of mentors who can contribute to the young and budding entrepreneurs through their experience. So we are launching today a portal for registering the mentors as well as the mentees and fixing the time slots for them. And as we have discussed, We Engage program will be organized from 2 to 5 every third Saturday, and Startup Engage program, which will be for all gender, that will be on first and fourth Saturday, 11 to 2. So this is the format we will keep for the Be Engage and Startup Engage, in which we will take up mentoring with the help of industry mentors and of course our own mentors. We have Dr. Pandya as a chief mentor who will be heading our team of all the mentors from all over. And we intend to call them as iHub Saathis. And honorary iHub Sathis. We will also be issuing letters to these iHub Sathis, and we'll be registering them. And of course, taking a lot of work from them for our budding entrepreneurs, because that's how we can see the entire community growing. And I envision that one day this community of mentors or this community of iHub Sathis will grow to something like 5,000, 10,000, and of course I will be one of them. Today I'm chairperson, but I will take over as iHub Sathi subsequently, and of course I am an iHub Sathi. So I wish you all great success, and I wish you all great mentoring, and of course I hope iHub is able to deliver a lot of guidance, a lot of happiness, a lot of support to you in your journey of entrepreneurship. Thank you very much, and thank you, DCCI. It is really an effort, and I must say it's your dedication that today you have remained present very, very punctually to make this dream realize. Thank you so much. Thank you all for remaining present. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words and also highlighting this program of mentorship. And as you rightly mentioned, we will have this amazing startup Sathis at iHub who will be helping aspiring entrepreneurs in days to come. May I request iHub team to formally launch this program of We Engage. Thank you so much. Every third Saturday at 3 to 5 p.m., we will have mentors and experts through various chapters of Industrial Wings, and also TiE Ahmedabad and many others organizations who are deeply involved in the innovation startup ecosystem. I thank Anju Sharma ma'am, Principal Secretary Higher Education, for inaugurating the first session today. We will have a physical one-to-one mentoring of 5 amazing women ventures who are student startups who got funded when they were students in various colleges. They got around 2.5 lakhs in the initial days, who have successfully converted their ideas into enterprises by now. And today, none other than the Chief Mentor of iHub, Professor Pandya, Nagarajan sir, and Yearly, and all other experts from the industry are going to guide it. This is the first of its kind such intervention, and I'm sure this saga will continue, and many more young entrepreneurs can take benefit. All the innovators who are listening to us through Facebook Live and other platforms, if you feel that you need such an attentive or mentorship for your innovations, please log into iHub website. You can register your slot and also mention what sectors, what stage of innovation, and every month you will be notified when you can physically come here, present, and share your work, and you can take both instructive criticism and also guidance from all the successful entrepreneurs. This will certainly help to take your ideas to the next stage. I thank Nagarajan sir for being present here, who is also going to chair the mentorship session today, the first We Engage session along with Dr. Pandya. I thank all other experts present from GCCI and TiE Ahmedabad. Thank you so much for being present. Thank you so much for joining online through Facebook Live at iHub, another university platform. Thank you so much.